Hey, happy Thursday. Dino Sinopoli here from Crestview, Florida. Just on the north side, I'm at 555 Galaxy Drive here up on the north side of Crestview. Like beautiful, there's an airport just over there and a very nice neighborhood. You can see in the big walkways, there's sidewalks over on this side of the road. Now we're going over to this home here. It's 1,600 square feet. It's priced under $300,000 and it has a swimming pool. And let's go have a look at this beautiful gem here. I just had it on MLS, or multiple listing service, tour today. Had great reviews on it. People were just saying how incredibly nice this home is, all the features that it has, and the pricing is amazing. So here we go. We've walked inside. Right away you're like, oh, look how open this is. And we got this beautiful kitchen that we're gonna walk our way over to, and it's got tons and tons of cabinets. We have a fireplace with travertine tile. We have a vaulted ceiling here. He's got pre-wired, and they've already got the TV mount in there. We've got a nice leaded glass door feature as we first come in. Here we have a stainless steel fridge with ice and water. But these beautiful granite countertops, have a look at these, and with the full backsplash as well. They got soft close. Well, I guess this one is soft close. There we go. Boom. Soft close. So I have an open house here this Saturday from 1 till 3. Depends when you see this video. But they've upgraded the kitchen, the cabinets. They've put in all these LED lights in, very energy efficient. Since we're on this side of the house, we'll also see the pantry. You got all those cabinets plus a pantry. You have the laundry room, nice and bright, freshly painted. We have a garage in here. It has a double garage, as you saw when we first walked up front. There's a water softener included. There's a Rinnai endless hot water system, a natural gas powered. So very energy efficient as well. Then we're gonna walk out last to the backyard, but I'm just gonna tempt you a bit there with that beautiful, beautiful pool, nice and deep. You can do lots of laps in there. You'll see a lot of storage back there. But let's head to the bedrooms first. We're gonna go down this hallway, and these are bamboo floors. So again, very environmentally nice. And these bedrooms, they put in what they call tiger. You can see the tiger stripe in the bamboo floor here. We'll head on over to the first bathroom. It's got 2 full baths. This is a 3-bedroom home. It's got a linen closet right here as well. We're gonna walk on through to the next bedroom. So bedroom number 2, nice big full-size windows. You can see out there, nice beautiful flat yard, very usable. You can actually drive into the backyard on this home as well. Got a nice big walk-in closet there. Let's head to the master or primary bedroom. Here you go, voila, lots of room in this huge, very well put together, painted. You got the tiger bamboo floors. They're very nice, very straight. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but then you got this gorgeous view of your pool. So you can lay in bed and watch the water. I love that in a house. And then you have this beautiful backyard, and there's a big property back there. It's got a little creek and everything. I don't know if that'll ever be developed, but here we have the master vanity and sink. We got a big walk-in closet here, and probably lights on the outside. Boom, let's get that. There we go. Look at this big closet. They've got extra bamboo as well, so that you can, if anything happens to your floor, you got something to back it up. But here, these guys had spared no expense. They got a beautiful, look at this 20-inch or 22-inch tiles. This got a jetted tub, so you can sit there and bubble your troubles away after a hard day at work. And it's even got a light in here, so it stays nice and bright. And then you have a little linen closet here as well. Actually, it's more than a little, it's pretty deep, so it's very nice. So then what we're gonna do is head back through. There's a master bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, vaulted ceilings, monster kitchen with monster amount of cabinetry. Lots of LED lights, very bright. We have a wood burning fireplace, travertine tiles. Then we come to this beautiful, huge Florida room. And I'm just gonna go around here and just feel the space you have. And it's fully heated and cooled. It's got a mini split, they call that. And so you can put this temperature at any temperature you would like. We're gonna pop outside, and here we're gonna see this gorgeous pool. And look at this. And they just replaced this liner within the last few years. And it's a beautiful blue color, very inviting. I just want to jump in, but I'm not ready to jump in today. We've got a big RV type. Now, I'm not sure if this might or might not be included, but let's put your offer in today and see what the seller will say. He's got a big acreage he's moving into. I guess this is portable and can be moved, but let's get your offers in today and see if the seller would consider leaving this with the home. Then we're gonna head on over to, well, let's have a look there. You can drive right into your backyard. So boom, right into here, put your big RV in there, or what other toys you have. You got this big storage shed over here, lots of space. You got a ramp so your riding lawnmower can go up. You got another storage area here. Like I said, lots of privacy behind you. The yard's fully fenced for kids, animals, you name it. You got all that space. So Dino Sinopoli, Coldwell Banker Realty, thank you for listening. Sorry about the little bit of a long video, but there's so much to show you on this beautiful home. And come by the open house this Saturday from 1 to 3. So anyways, have a great Florida day. Dino Sinopoli.